Welcome back. Today I'm going to make a custom poster for our TV series idea. So to begin with, we have this sunny, warm background which I'll be using as the template for this edit today, which is pretty basic. So we add that onto our templates. So then next, what we'll be doing is adding the render of the cruise ship, which is shown in this image here, pretty generic. And what are we doing then is rotating it facing the other way, and additionally adding some orange glow to the render so it blends with the image. Next, we add an artificial sun and some sun ray elements, and what I'll be doing is bringing them both together. Now we add our foreground, which is a sunny, sandy, dry landscape which goes perfect with the background, so adding this into a foreground goes very well together and it meshes very well. So then we bring into our title, which is called Cruising, and this is, I want to give it a kind of orange glow, and I think it blends nicely between the cruise ship and the foreground, which goes in very nicely. Now next we add a render. We've got some sunglasses here for our presenter, and then we add it to our main render, which is shown here. We give the render a little bit of an orange glow as well, so it suits the render quite nicely with the image. So then next we add our foreground element, which is a palm tree, and it gives the foreground a bit more detail and realism to the image. Next then we add our HBO watermark, as well as my own watermark onto the image. And then lastly we add in some particles to give the overall image some color correction as well, to give the photo a bit more vibrant, a warm feel to the summer image, with the particles giving that realism as well. And there it is. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.